One of the reasons that I love Plum Preserves so much is because of the simplicity of the recipe. It's truly only 3 ingredients and just takes a little bit of time to make. I start out with 5 cups of plums. These ones have already been pitted and cut in half. Then I'll add 4 cups of sugar and half a teaspoon of butter so that it keeps the foam down. This is actually optional. Now I'll place this on the stove and bring it up to the gelling point. The gelling point is 220 degrees at sea level, and for every 1,000 feet above sea level, you drop 2 degrees. So I'm at 1,200 feet, so I would get it up to 218 degrees. My preserves are a lovely thickness. Now I'll put them in half-pint jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace. Headspace is a space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. I'll use a clean damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jars so that if anything got on the edge that it won't interfere with the seal. And then I'll place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. I'm using Superb canning lids today. These are actually one of my new favorites because they're super thick and they have this lovely squishy blue seal which does such a good job of sealing. I have a 20% off discount code as well as the link in my description below. Now I'll place these in the boiling water bath submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water and process them for 10 minutes if I'm at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 15. But I won't start my timer until after it begins to boil. Now that my timer's gone off, I'll remove the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I remove my jars from the canner and place them on a heat-resistant surface about 1 to 2 inches apart so that they can cool down quickly. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I know that they have a good seal if the center of the lid has depressed down. If it has, then I remove the ring, wash off the outside with hot soapy water, and store them in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry and use them in the next 1 to 3 years. If for some reason any of them didn't seal, I would place it in the refrigerator and use it right away.